Welcome to D Knowledge Junction. Like, hype, share, and subscribe. Let's dive into the quiz. Which animal can sleep for 3 years at a time? Right answer is snail. The mode of nutrition found in fungi is. Right answer is saprophytic. What type of animal is a dolphin? Right answer is mammal. The opening and closing of the stomatal pore depend upon. Right answer is guard cells. What do we call a substance that speeds up a chemical reaction? Right answer is catalyst. Which enzyme gets mixed with food in our mouth? Right answer is amylase. Woody plants carry gaseous exchange through. Right answer is lenticels. The lens used in a simple microscope is. Right answer is concave lens. Glycolysis process occurs in which part of the cell? Right answer is cytoplasm. The SI unit of refractive index is. Right answer is no unit. The excretory unit of the human excretory system is known as. Right answer is nephron. A man presses more weight on earth at. Right answer is standing on one foot. Sodium hydroxide turns phenolphthalein solution into. Right answer is pink. Which of the following is not a matter? Right answer is light. The smell of perfume gradually spreads across a room due to. Right answer is diffusion. What do you call a reaction that absorbs heat energy? Right answer is endothermic reaction. Which of the following has highest kinetic energy? Right answer is gas particles. Boiling is a change. Right answer is physical. Which state of matter has a definite volume but no definite shape? Right answer is liquid. Rate of evaporation does not depend on. Right answer is color of liquid. What do we call a substance made up of only one type of atom? Right answer is element. Which gas is produced when vinegar reacts with baking soda? Right answer is carbon dioxide. Rain is called acid rain when it's. Right answer is pH is below 5.6. Soaps are formed by saponification of. Right answer is fat and alkali. Birds and mammals have circulation. Right answer is double circulation. Water lost by transpiration is. Right answer is released into air. Which of these is a vector quantity? Right answer is force. Which of these is an inert gas? Right answer is helium. What is the main component of natural gas? Right answer is methane. The process of converting raw sugarcane into sugar is called. Right answer is crystallization. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video.